Drink this before bed to clean your arteries and boost your heart health. What if I told you that a simple drink you can make in your own kitchen could actually help clear out plaque from your arteries, slash your heart attack risk, and give you better circulation while you sleep? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stay with me, because science is now uncovering powerful natural compounds that can actually help your body clean its arteries overnight. In today's video, we're revealing a special nighttime drink that supports your arteries, lowers blood pressure, and helps you wake up with a stronger, healthier heart. Plus, we'll break down 5 hidden reasons your arteries get clogged in the first place, and how to stop them. So hit that like button, subscribe to Diseases War, and let's get you on track to a heart that could last decades longer. Why should you care about your arteries? Let's be real. Most people don't think twice about their arteries until they're lying on a hospital bed after a heart attack or stroke. Your arteries are like tiny highways that carry oxygen-rich blood to every organ in your body, your brain, your kidneys, your eyes, your legs, and of course your heart itself. But over time, these arteries get gummed up with a sticky mix of cholesterol, calcium, and inflammation, called plaque. Did you know? Over 92 million Americans already have some form of cardiovascular disease, and nearly 1 in 2 adults over 40 has silent plaque building up in their arteries right now. This means even if you feel fine, your arteries could be narrowing day by day, waiting for a clot to trigger a sudden heart attack or stroke. So protecting your arteries is about more than just living longer. It's about living better, staying active, and avoiding disability. The shocking truth about artery clogs. Most people think clogged arteries are just from eating too much fat, but that's way too simple. Sugar and processed carbs damage artery walls, making it easier for cholesterol to stick. Chronic stress pumps out cortisol and adrenaline, raising blood pressure and literally scarring your arteries from the inside. Lack of sleep increases inflammatory markers like CRP that accelerate plaque buildup. Hidden infections, even from gum disease, send bacteria into your bloodstream that lodge in arteries and spark more plaque. And here's something most doctors don't even tell you. 80% of heart attacks happen from plaques that aren't even large enough to block blood flow. They're just unstable. When they rupture, they form a clot that completely closes off your artery in seconds. So it's not just about having narrow arteries. It's about keeping your artery walls calm, flexible, and inflammation-free. The nighttime drink that helps clean arteries. All right, let's get to the star of the show. This is a simple drink you can prepare in under 5 minutes, with ingredients proven to reduce artery inflammation, lower LDL cholesterol and raise HDL, improve nitric oxide, which widens arteries and improves blood flow, and help stabilize plaques so they don't rupture. What's in it? 1. Pomegranate juice, loaded with polyphenols that reduce artery thickness by up to 30% in studies. 2. A squeeze of lemon juice, rich in vitamin C to strengthen artery walls. 3. A pinch of turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is anti-inflammatory, and black pepper boosts absorption by 2,000%. 4. A small piece of fresh garlic, crushed. Garlic lowers blood pressure and slows plaque buildup. 5. Warm water to bring it together. How to make it? Pour half a cup of unsweetened pomegranate juice into a mug. Squeeze in half a lemon. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder plus a tiny pinch of black pepper. Crush or finely grate half a garlic clove. Let it sit for 5 minutes to release a lichen, then stir it in. Top it off with half a cup of warm water, stir well, and sip slowly about 1 hour before bed. Why at night? Because while you sleep, your body does most of its repair work, lowering inflammation, stabilizing plaques, and improving endothelial, artery lining function. Giving it these natural compounds right before bed means they go to work while you're resting. The science that backs this up. You might be thinking, come on, does this really do anything? Let's look at real studies. A study in clinical nutrition found people who drank pomegranate juice daily for a year reduced their carotid artery plaque thickness by up to 30%, while also lowering blood pressure by 12%. Another study published in the Journal of Atherosclerosis showed that garlic extract slowed coronary artery calcification by over 50% compared to placebo. Research from India found that curcumin, from turmeric, cut down inflammatory markers by 40%, helping keep artery plaques stable. Lemon juice, high in vitamin C and bioflavonoids, has been shown to reduce arterial stiffness, improving how your arteries expand and contract. Why most people fail to keep arteries clean. Now here's the tough love. Most people watch videos like this, get excited, maybe try the drink once or twice, and then quit. Or they keep eating heavy processed foods, sitting on the couch and hoping this one drink will magically save them. Truth is, this drink is powerful, but it's most effective when combined with better habits. Just like brushing your teeth helps, but you still need to avoid too much sugar and see the dentist. 5. Other powerful habits to keep arteries. Young. Want to really give your arteries a fighting chance? Here are 5 simple habits that work hand in hand with your nighttime drink. 1. Cut down on added sugars. The biggest driver of artery damage isn't fat, it's sugar. Sugary drinks, pastries, white bread, all raise triglycerides and small, dense LDL particles that burrow into artery walls. 2. Eat more leafy greens and beets. These are loaded with nitrates that your body turns into nitric oxide, naturally widening your arteries. That means better circulation and lower blood pressure. 3. Get moving daily. Exercise doesn't just burn calories. It physically forces your arteries to expand and contract, keeping them flexible and preventing hardening. Just 20 to 30 minutes of brisk walking can slash heart risk by up to 50%. 4. Manage your stress. Chronic stress pumps out cortisol that stiffens arteries. Try deep breathing, prayer, yoga, or just unplugging from constant news. 5. Prioritize quality sleep. Poor sleep leads to higher blood pressure and more arterial plaque. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Your heart does most of its repair while you're asleep. The sneaky hidden causes of artery damage. Here's something hardly anyone talks about. Even mild exposure to cigarette smoke, like living with a smoker, increases artery plaque. Gum disease bacteria can sneak into your blood and damage arteries. Chronic infections like untreated H. pylori in the stomach have been linked to higher heart attack risks. So oral hygiene, avoiding smoking areas, and treating underlying infections are also heart protective. The bottom line. So here's the real truth. This nighttime artery cleansing drink is not a miracle cure, but it is a simple, powerful tool to tip the odds in your favor, reducing inflammation, stabilizing plaques, and improving blood flow. When you combine it with smarter food choices, daily movement, stress control, and good sleep, you're literally turning your body into a plaque-fighting machine. Final thoughts. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button and subscribe to Disease's War for more science-backed health secrets. Tell us in the comments. Have you tried any heart-healthy drinks before? What's your favorite? And if you decide to try this drink tonight, come back and let us know how you feel. Share this video with someone you love, because the best gift you can give them is more healthy years together.